Meridian, I really enjoy listening to music before I get started. Make math, a little bit more exciting, and music don't want to turn off. Again, this is Donovan, your math coach. I'm back in the lab. Get ready to get started. Now, I found another worksheet on the internet. Every worksheet requires instruction, so I'm going to give it. This is going to be a very simple one right here. It's rounding numbers. There are so many different ways to round the numbers. But for this worksheet for today's lesson is that we're going to look where the number is underlined and we're going to round it to the nearest whole number. So now this right here we have 8,632,051. So now if we have to round it up to this right here, let me lock it in. My mouse. So we have to take a look at this value right here. Now, if this value right here is greater than 4, then we're going to round this up to 9 million. Now, let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 right here, we have 73,693. We have to look at this unit right here, which is the thousand place right here. If this is greater than 4, then this get rounds up to 8. If it's less than or equal to 4 right here, then it remains its place. So this one is just going to be 70,000. Now, there is a worksheet here. If you feel ambitious enough, you want to get started, go ahead. This worksheet is just to give you additional practice here. So we're going to kind of go through some things right here and go through a few more examples. This worksheet I found on the internet. I found the value in it, and I think students, deserve an opportunity to win. Again, let's take a look at this right here. We want 16. Now 16 right here, we want to round up. So we have to look at, we have 74.91. So now we have to look at this value right here, the ones right here, and which is in the 100 place. If this 100 place is greater than 4, then this moves up. So since it's less than, this is just set. Let me lock this, which is just move it over to 74.9. Sometimes you want to put 0. Some teachers want that there, but this is also equal to 74.9 right here. So that's fine. Now let's kind of move to another problem really quick. Now here it says that we want to go to the 10th place. So it's checking to see whether you understand what the 10th place is. Now the 10th place right here is this 3 right here. So you have to look at the next unit over, which is the 100th. So this right here is just 6.4, and that's your value right there. Now let's go to 24, and this will probably be the last one. And you guys should download it and practice. The more opportunity that you guys get to practice, is the better you get at this. So this right here is our 100th place. What is our 100th place? I don't know. Is it the 1 or is it 2? But you got to remember that it's always to the right of the decimal. We always start tens, hundredths, and then thousands. So since your thousands right here is less than 4 or equal to 4, then we don't have to round up. We could just keep it the same. So this is just 8.12, and that's your answer. Again, this is Donovan. Put in instructions to worksheets that's on the internet. Every student deserves an opportunity to win. This is Donovan again, your math coach in the Pulse Meridian. Thank you.